GARVEE Tech. We all know the brand, we all know the quality of it, so let's get into this. This is the 20-volt cordless lawn edger. It's got the 9-inch blade. When I first opened this, I was appreciative that it wasn't one of those overwhelming tools with a million parts. Everything was pretty straightforward. I didn't even need the instruction manual. You're going to have the edger body, the 20-volt battery plus the charger. The blade is already installed. Huge bonus. Then all you have is the handle pieces to attach. Assembly is actually simple, just connecting the handle and locking everything in. No complicated setup or tools needed. Putting it together took maybe a few minutes max. The handle adjusts easily, nice if you don't want to bend over. The battery clicks right in, and it feels lightweight but still solid. It didn't feel intimidating like some yard tools do. The first time that I ran it though, along the driveway edge, you could immediately see the difference. The 9-inch blade cuts clean lines fast. You get that sharp, finished look instead of messy grass edges. The dual wheels keep things steady so you're not fighting it. It's one of those, wow, that looks better instantly tools. We were sent this to test out, and this lasted long enough to do a typical area, which is a driveway and sidewalk, and it's designed for around 20 minutes per runtime per charge.